Hello, Dale here, and today I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Namecheap domain into systeme.io. And if you stay to the end, there's a little trick I'll show you to make sure that more people visit your site. And before you start, if you don't have systeme.io yet and you want to follow along, my referral link is in the description. I'd be grateful if you could use that to sign up so I can carry on making videos. Okay, thanks. Let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to log into systeme.io, and for whatever page you're on, I'm on the sites page, the funnels page. We're going to click on your profile logo, settings, and then you're going to go to custom domains. As you can see, I've got two here already. What we're going to do now is we're going to log into Namecheap, and then from when you've logged in, go to your dashboard. And then we'll go to the domain that you've already bought. Assume you've already bought a domain from Namecheap. You're going to go to the one you want to use. I'm going to use onedaycoursecreation.com. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to really click on manage. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this description. We're going to go back to systeme.io, add a domain, and paste it in. And what we're going to do is going to add the www dot as well, which you have to do. And then we're going to click on save. And the domain has been successfully created, which is awesome. So we're going to add these CNAME records. There's two CNAME records they're called. And we're going to add these to Namecheap to connect everything up. So back into One-Day Course Creation, we're going to go to Advanced DNS. So if you go to Advanced DNS, add new records, or add new record. And we're going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down to CNAME record. So here we go. So the host with the first one. This is the first one I'm going to input, this line here. And all you have to do is add www. You can either copy that over. You can just type it. www, back to system. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this, that's including all the dots, and add that one into here, and we're going to push save. The little tick is going to save it. So that's the first record added, that's in there. So what we're going to do is to add the other record, we're going to add new record, and add CNAME again. Okay, so let's go back to system.io. And here's a second one you're going to add. And what we're going to do here is copy this one only up to where the full stop is. I'm going to copy that, or a little one I've just made up in my head. Copy the lot, but only up to the dot. I know, sorry. Might make you remember, it may not. So what we're going to do is add that one into the host. And the second one, we go back to here again. We copy all of this again, even the dot this time. So we're going to add that one in as well and save again. So there we go. We're done in Namecheap for the minute. I'll show you something else, the little trick I said about earlier. I'm going to show you that as well. So we're going to go back to here. And what will happen is one-day course creation, that's pending validation. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours. Mine never has. Sometimes it takes like minutes. Sometimes it's taken up to an hour, but it's never taken as long as it has. If it does take ages, it just says pending all the time. Something's probably wrong. You may have done something wrong when you copied over. Like you may have copied the dot when you shouldn't have. Or something else. But that shouldn't take long at all. Sometimes I've even like refreshed. Oh, well, it might have done it. But you might even refresh and then it says ready to use. And then your domain is ready to use. And what else you can do as well is to check that the CNAME records have been properly integrated. You can go to DNS checker.org and accept, and this checks your DNS records. So what I'll do is just copy it again. We're going to DNS check and add it here with www.cname. Click CNAME and search. See, if you've got all ticks here, that means you've put the records in properly. So showing you all over the world that it's all properly integrated. But remember to put CNAME, so CNAME records. Just want to do one more chance. Pending validation. It will do it though, because it showed it was right in the DNS checker. I said there's going to be a tip to ensure there's more traffic visits your site. So you want more people to go to your site. So whether your audience types www. or not before they type in your domain name, like in this case, One Day Course Creation, you can make it so if they just type One Day Course Creation, say, it will still go to the website, whether you put the www. In front or not. And I'll show you how to do this now. So what we do is we go to the domain list again. One Day Course Creation Manage again. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the management page of the domain, which we've just added. Can you see where it says redirect domain? What we're going to do is go to add redirect and paste the domain name. I'm going to copy that and paste it in. And destination URL. Paste it in again. Add HTTPS semicolon, whatever that is, / www. And save. So what that's going to do now is that's basically saying if you type in www. You're going to go to the site as normal. If you don't type it in, they're still going to redirect the non-typed in www. To the one that has. So you make sure more people go to your site. If they miss out the www, they'll still get there. So that's a little extra tip. So awesome, and that's it. That's basically done. Just one more. Just one refresh. I thought we'd done for the tutorial, but it's not. That's still doing. So basically, you've just integrated your domain into systeme.io successfully, even though it's pending. It will be okay. Again, if you want to follow along, my referral link to systeme.io is in the description. I'd really appreciate it if you could use that. Remember to like and subscribe so I can send more videos to you. That'd be great, and you'll know when my next tutorials are out, so you can watch them straight away. And leave a comment, any questions, and I'll answer them straight away as well if I've missed anything out, because nobody's perfect, especially not me. So I will answer any questions you put down below. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.